going blues, going round. Okay, good. Set. Off and then on. Okay. So that everything's made to start, remember?
Yeah.
I presume you're going to use a tape?
No.
Tape deck?
No.
Edit CDs. Okay. You found that? You found it? Go on, so pretend you've got a face on there.
Check first with red.
Yeah. Although things like your CD and all that, as soon as you put your CD on, put it on pause, and then the track, and then as long as it's on pause and the green light's on.
So green light means it's live to everybody.
Green light means it's on the fade to start, ready. Okay, it's ready to be activated. So I'll just. And what we've done, you know, because the frequency is different and all that, because it was 105.4 last time. So we've shifted. Basically, if you can get away with it, this is the one jingle that you can play. I mean, if you've got your own anyway. Okay. Lisa, you gonna speak after this?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, let me just play. You're listening to Elle FM. Okay. And then you.
What number is it on?
It's here, right mini disc. Oh, so, 1.
What's on next, I'm sorry?
So I just do. You're listening to Elle
What's on
FM.
next, sorry? I'm all lost up.
I'll just do that one little jingle. You're listening to Elle FM.
Yeah.
And then you're on. Oh. If you want me to stay.
Sly and Robbie.
No. Sly and the Family Stone.
That's close, isn't it?
What's in here?
Okay, but you gotta keep watch. What's gonna happen now? So it's on the green light, okay? To activate the fade start. So that's on the green light, and then I'm gonna just. Don't forget, you can take your cues off the people's voices with that as well. You're listening to Elle FM.
Okay, that was Curtis Mayfield with Pusher Man, and that was going out especially for Cookie and George. We've got DJ Isis and Culture Queen in the studio.
Yes!
Hey. Good show, everyone's bubbling. And the next tune we've got is for Sly, and what I'm Sly, and this is Sly and the Family Stone. Shame. I amaze myself. That's right.
So did you get that?
Yeah. You're going to have to introduce yourself first, Adam.
Yeah. It's incredible. Sorry, that was my fault. I mentioned Ada coming in from Manchester.
Yeah, it's grand incredible.
Miss Grand Incredible. Does she live up to her name?
We hope so.
Otherwise she'd be down Grand Central somewhere.
Miss Grand Incredible had to go on holiday.
I haven't yet.
The music with you.
Okay. So just have the red light on, cue it manually, and then as soon as you've cued it and stopped it, take the red off and put the green on, and then it's just ready to.
When you shape me again, I hope you have been the person you really are.
Okay, stop it, and then red off,
I wish I could.
green on. Okay. So as soon as you
So as soon as that goes up, that's
yeah. Okay, Lisa, you gonna talk? What do you want on?
Trust me, number 2.
Do you want it? If ever you're playing and you're not talking but you're not hearing the sound in the studio, she remembers that one.
and you like get caught.
Because she thought there was something wrong and it can be up the slack up. And your sleeve couldn't go on it and anything. It doesn't mean you're on air, but you won't hear.
Keep your eyes on the level at all times. Remember to keep the log of all records played on each of your programs. A full list of performances.
No, normally you need the full list when you submit and stuff. But we're just asking for, give us a list, leave a list for us for tomorrow.
Of all the records we played?
Yeah. I know it's going to be hard. Otherwise, keep them in your home side, at the side.
Okay.
Mind you know what? I'm not going to bother because it's overnight. So I'm not going to go out your way.
People, so
but on your other shows, yeah. It's for the PRS. You don't normally have free turns, but you might do instead.
What's PRS?
Performing Rights Society.
Oh God, AJ Violence.
You know when you're paying for your music rights and stuff?
What does that mean?
Well, you've got to pay. Because if we didn't, if I didn't pay, I haven't even paid it yet, but if you don't pay PRS, you can't play music. You can only play unlicensed music. So that's why when people say to me, can we play anything, I say, pay anything because you paid for it. Do you know what I mean?
Oh, okay. I know exactly what's in that box is getting played.
Where'd you go on the TV?
Say what?
Call me on 7.
The mini disc, if you want. Do you remember that old jungle thing piece, you know, for the overnighters? That's still on it.
Okay.
I used it on the start.
Yeah.
That's pretty decent, but it says Jungle Crew. That's what it's labelled as.
Okay.
Just if you need it, you know, while crossover or anything.
Okay.
Well, this is a long record, isn't it? Yeah.
This is what you call the toilet record.
Okay, silence.
Okay, that was the Guru with Trust Me. And in the studio, we've got DJ Isis,
Hooray!
Queen with Ada. So if you want to call in, sorry with Ada, sorry, I just can't speak tonight, you'll have to ignore me. So if you want to call in, please do so, because you can have requests played all through the night on 0151 709 8899. Before we go, Dolores?
Yeah?
I'm sorry, we've had no calls, unfortunately.
Oh well, never mind, you know, or, keep calling through the night if you do want to take me to the prom, or I gotta go now anyway to get some pizza. Okay, see you later.
Okay, thanks Dolores. So if you want to call in, please do so on 0151 709 8899. That's it now, isn't it?
Ooh, I've been hearing coming.
I should be on Valium or something, shouldn't I? Take that to me out. Right, listen. There's no Steph and Ali coming in tomorrow morning. Do the breakfast show. You're not smokers, are you?
No, Shirley.
And drink out there as well.
I'm trying to break that down now, Gary. Just say okay, you're listening to Elle FM. That was Lisa E. It was nice being with you. Thanks a lot, and I enjoyed it. And now we've got DJ Iris, DJ Isis, and Culture Queen, and also Ada.
This one incredible hairstyle.
Okay, thank you. Bye now. Don't smoke, honey. Michelle, I'll give you the call.
Yes, please, my dear.
The call, because
Yes, I want to see you. Oh, no, it's no problem because I know.
Right, your levels as well. Only up to 4. I'll get you the keys before I go.
Yeah. You want to say it now? Ready, go Ada.
Hey yo people, hey, this is Ladies Night. Welcome man. Who we got in studio tonight?
Yo, you got Culture Queen.
Yo, Culture Queen. And it's me, Miss Grand Incredible, and
DJ Isis.
hell yeah. Yeah, welcome to Ladies Night, man. It's gonna be rough.
It's going to be the rough night tonight. So,
Tonight we've got a thing called Ladies Night. We're going to be playing the tunes that you want to hear tonight. So ring up on Elle Fm 106.2 FM. The telephone number 0151 709 8899. That's 0151 709 8899. And you can ring up for any requests that you want throughout the night. So the first tune we're going to have tonight is Method Man and D'Angelo, Make Up, Break Up.
You and I, till the day we die.
Yeah, ex-girlfriend, how you been? I see you still trying to fuck with other women, man. Remember when I first met you in my cousin's house? A week later we was fucking on your mama's couch. That's what you said, that big girl, they don't cry. But the damn show lies, look you in the eye, saying you they own.
That's what I was
talking till the day we die, they can never leave alone.
Right, you know when you the microphones are the only ones that you don't need to have those on. That's okay, but you know what? Just bear in mind when like 2 or 3 babies are on, turn the gain down because more volume's going into the thing.
Yes, you were listening to the sounds of the Sizzler, and it's me, Culture Queen, representing this, thanks, the Culture Shock Show. As you said, it's Ladies Night, and we're going to keep the vibes nice and alright.
Can you believe the people over years and violence too? Don't let them fool you. Don't believe for a minute that they are with you. Wrist full of baguettes, that's the body so full of sex. Then you scarf on the neck, you destroy it from the west. She got me open, no one down squad, get the paper. With enough fake friends to fill up the skyscraper. Enough player haters to fill up 2 or 3. You will never push the vibe like me. You will never be as loud as me. That's why you despise me. You walk like a verbal cat, large like a Rossi. But from New Jersey.
This is a bad room for studio then.
Are they? I never knew how Erica Badu could check a man with a white wig, but whatever's up to her, innit? Okay then, people. Next up, Keith Murray, Incredible.
Yes, and I'm Elle FM backwards, Elle FM, tell your friend.
Everybody going.
Some niggas ain't real, they talk that shit, then when it's time to flip, they hit the track. My life, my money, my world, my girls. See how she let you find a style like the 3rd round. Want me to fail cause you born my dick, but as long as every song is ripped, you can't tell me shit. You can't even say
Yeah, check it out. Those were the fat tunes from Big Pun, Fat Joe, and the Terror Squad. Here we go, here we go. What we got on next? Let me see, let me see, let me see. It is Black Moon. Here we go.